Sunny Viddens, we back another video. Thank you for tuning into the channel. Today I'm trying out some new street food. I want to try some fried rice. I'm still in Ghana with it. I ain't going home yet, so I'm giving you as much content as I can.
Do you want everything?
Yeah, well, what's everything?
Salad, cream.
Oh, yes. Ooh, I'm about to get some good fried rice. From Jane's Kitchen. So who is Jane? Huh?
That's our madam.
Oh, yeah, madam? Okay. Well, wherever Jane is, I'm trying your fried rice. Ooh, nice. How much is the chicken?
Chicken.
Yeah.
One is expensive.
All right, let me get one.
You want extra one?
Wait, oh, it comes with it?
I'll add it.
Oh, okay.
Or you want extra one?
I didn't know it comes with chicken. Yeah, so you get chicken and fried rice, salad, all this 25 cities. Yeah, stay away from my food.
FOV. FOV.
So we on our way back to the hotel with the food. By the way, I'm shooting this video with an iPhone 17. So don't be holding your phone out here like what I'm doing in Ghana, because niggas will steal your shit. I'm just ready to run after and again deck them in case they do it. I'm ready to kick a bike down. So I'm taking the chances. If there's a biker, he about to come right now. But I ain't foolish with it. Watching niggas here. What's up, man? You really surviving those street food. I told y'all earlier this meal, 25 cities. You know what I'm saying? Let me give y'all better. Oh shit, that's a my fault. 25 cities right here. I bought an egg from some lady on the street right here. 4 cities. So right now we at 29 cities. 29 cities for a good meal? I'm jacking it. 29 cities, that's like $2.90, not even. Maybe like $2.50 because the rate is $10 and I'm saying dollars. 10.9 cities per dollar. Let me just see how this fried rice tastes raw real quick. Solid. Oh shit. Oh, they be stealing this pepper shot, like damn. This shit's a mission to open, bro. This shit leaking on me. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go. We could dump this shit. Let's dump this shit on here real quick. Fuck it. Smells a little funny, but sturdy. Pepper burning my fingers. I could survive eating street food. I'm not gonna lie. I could survive doing this. I had to see what the egg hitting for. Belacqua. Y'all lucky I getting free promo right now. I cleaned this plate up. Cleaned it up. I'm gonna get this fried rice. I wanna give it an 8 out of 10. But I feel like they only lost points because it wasn't like warm. I feel like since I came in the evening time, this should probably been here all day. So I think it wasn't like the freshest rice, but it was still good. So I know if I would have came beginning of the day, this shit probably would have been 8.5 out of 10. So yeah, I'm jacking in those points because of the temperature of the food. That's it. But it was solid. I will go again. I'm gonna go cop again, but I'm gonna cop early in the day next time. So far, we had Kenke earlier in the day though for breakfast. This is our second meal of the day. We surviving off of street food for 24 hours. It's possible. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I love y'all. I love all my supporters. Make sure you leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you didn't. We out of here.